So now that we got the cam in the C5 Corvette track car, I want to make it as powerful as possible. And I think these stock mufflers are causing a restriction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be welding on some cutouts today. That way I can still get around some of the tracks that have decibel limits like Lime Rock, but also open these bad boys up so you can hear this puppy purr when we're not at Lime Rock. So I actually already had to cut this in half to get this on with my quick jacks, because you can't get these on the ground. You have to be on a lift. And I was in a time crunch to be able to make it to Lime Rock. So I just cut them one day and clamped them together, and it worked. And I figured one day I'd put a cutout there anyway. So what I did was I went ahead and cut this side off here, which I'll do on that side. I'm gonna put a cutout right here to either come straight out and maybe right where this pipe is, or underneath the pipe. Okay, I haven't figured that out yet, but the cutout's gonna come right here. And I'll show you what I'm working with. So I got a pie cut that I'm gonna just use in there, and that'll sit up there like that. And this sit there. That's gonna stick out down. So it'll come out like that. Obviously we're gonna straighten it out when we weld it so it's up like that, but that ain't so bad. I might have just hater pipe coming straight out the middle, six pipes. We'll see how it looks. So I got one side in, welded up. The age-old adage that I always say, a grinder in paint makes me the welder I ain't. Don't look too close. Came out okay. And then I can have a pipe come out of here underneath it, or I could make a stack, another one in the middle like this on either side, so it looks like there's 6 pipes, which could look pretty neat. Now I'll do the other side next, but that's gonna give us a heck of a lot more flow coming out. The car got equipped with our signature low boost films track weapon cam that ended up making almost 393 horsepower and 381 pound-feet of torque on a Mustang dyno, which reads a lot lower than other dynos. It's not an overly aggressive cam, so it can handle hours upon hours of abuse on track. If you're looking for more information about it, I'll put a link to it in the description below. You can buy it right on CamMotion's website. And if you guys are looking to let out some American bald eagle noises, I'll put a link to these cutouts in the description below as well. It's a great way to support our channel because it helps us out if you buy it through those links, and you can get them at the same price anyway. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.